Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this helpful. We're going to delve into MEM.AI, a powerful AI-powered note-taking and knowledge management tool found at https://get.mem.ai. This application goes beyond basic note-taking, offering a suite of features designed to help you organize, connect, and ultimately, remember your information more effectively. MEM uses a combination of cutting-edge technologies, including natural language processing and machine learning, to enhance your note-taking workflow. One of the key features of MEM is its intuitive search functionality. Instead of relying on rigid folder structures, you can simply type in keywords or phrases to quickly locate the note you need. This is particularly useful for those who prefer a more fluid and less hierarchical approach to knowledge organization. MEM's intelligent search algorithms learn your usage patterns over time, further refining search results and making it even easier to find what you're looking for. Beyond searching, MEM facilitates the creation of connections between your notes. By intelligently suggesting related notes as you type, MEM helps you uncover hidden relationships within your knowledge base. This interconnectedness allows for deeper understanding and more effective recall of information. Imagine building a web of knowledge where each note is linked to relevant concepts and ideas. This is the power of MEM. Furthermore, MEM integrates seamlessly with your existing workflows. It supports importing data from various sources, allowing you to consolidate your existing notes and knowledge into a single, unified platform. Whether you're migrating from another note-taking app or importing data from email or documents, MEM streamlines the process. This centralized repository ensures all your important information is readily accessible in one place. The user interface is designed for simplicity and efficiency. With a clean and uncluttered layout, MEM minimizes distractions and allows you to focus on what matters most, capturing and connecting your ideas. The user experience is further enhanced by features such as collaborative workspaces, allowing teams to share and build upon collective knowledge. In summary, MEM.AI, located at https://get.mem.ai, offers a compelling alternative to traditional note-taking methods. Its AI-powered features, including intelligent search, note linking, and seamless integration, empower you to not only capture information but to truly understand and utilize it. It's more than just notes, it's a knowledge network. So, head over to https://get.mem.ai and explore the possibilities for yourself.